Imagine walking through a massive American farm, but there are no workers, no voices, no laughter, no human hands, only silent machines moving perfectly through the fields, 24 hours a day. This is not a movie. This is happening right now in 2026 across America. Thousands of farmers are quietly replacing human workers with AI robots. And what they're doing will forever change the future of food and destroy millions of jobs. Today, we expose one of the biggest silent revolutions happening in rural America: the end of farm labor. The perfect storm. For decades, American agriculture relied on cheap, seasonal labor, mostly from immigrants. But everything changed in 2025 and 2026. Strict immigration policies, mass deportations, and tighter border control created a severe labor shortage. Farmers in California, Texas, Florida, Arizona, and the Midwest couldn't find enough workers, even when they raised wages. Billions of dollars were lost. At the same time, labor costs skyrocketed, now making up 50 to 60% of total farming expenses. Farmers were left with only two choices: shut down or replace humans with machines. They chose the machines. The robot takeover. In 2026, American farms are becoming high-tech battlegrounds of artificial intelligence. John Deere's fully autonomous tractors drive themselves day and night using GPS and AI. Harvest Screw Robotics' strawberry pickers can replace 30 human workers each. Iron Ox and App Harvest use robotic arms and AI vision systems for indoor vertical farming. The See and Spray system by John Deere uses AI cameras to identify and kill individual weeds without chemicals. Swarm Robotics. Hundreds of small AI robots working together like an army of ants. These robots never get tired, they never ask for raises, they never take days off. And they work with military-level precision. One farmer said in a private interview, "I fought this for years, but after losing $400,000 in one season because I couldn't find workers, I had no choice." The robot paid for itself in less than 3 years. The hidden dark side. But this revolution has a terrifying cost that almost no one wants to discuss. Millions of seasonal workers, immigrant families, and rural American workers are losing their livelihoods. Small family farms that cannot afford $500,000 to $2 million robots are being forced to sell their land to giant corporations. We are watching the death of traditional family farming and the rise of corporate robot farms. Entire rural communities are collapsing. Schools are closing. Local businesses are shutting down. The social fabric of rural America is tearing apart. This is not just about farming. This is about the complete transformation of American life. The future we are walking into. Experts predict that by 2030, over 60 to 70% of farm labor in America will be replaced by AI and robotics. Food production will become faster and cheaper, but millions of people will be left without jobs. The big question nobody can answer yet is, what will happen to the millions of workers who used to work on these farms? And what kind of America are we creating when robots grow our food? This silent revolution is not just changing how we grow food, it is changing what it means to be human in America. Are we ready for a future where machines do all the hard work and millions of people are left behind? The farmers have already made their choice. Now it's time for the rest of America to wake up. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is AI in farming progress or a coming disaster? If you want more hard-hitting documentaries like this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications. The next one is coming soon.